Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to use the Perplexity AI like a pro. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So maybe if you would like to use this Perplexity AI like Pro, you need to explore more about the benefit of using this Perplexity AI or the usage of this Perplexity AI, because as we know that this Perplexity AI is really different with to over the another open AI like the ChatGPT or Gemini, and also maybe the Grok and etc. And for example, if you would like to know searching for the roadmap of something, so this Perplexity AI will also give you the resources that would be the adequate for the response of this Perplexity AI. So here from this Perplexity AI itself, I also ask the recommend how to use this AI better and effectively. So the first step you need to do you can start to use the clear and specific prompt, because the more specific and also the more clearer or the clearer of the prompt itself, so you will get the very specific and what you desire about the answer from after the generation. And after that, you can also use the leverage focus mode. And after that, as you can see that Perplexity AI offers the different search focus modes to tailor the result by search type. For example, the web for the broad information, the academic for the scholarly article, the social for trends and opinion from the social media, and also from the video for YouTube content summary. So you can start to summarize the video, for example, from your college to be the several summary or the note, and you can get the point from that video itself. And you can write the use the writing section for the creative or coding text, and also math for the computation via Wolfram Alpha. And after that, you need to engage in follow-up question. So by this explanation that this Perplexity AI will remember previous conversation context, allowing the follow-up to deepen the understanding or clarify. And after that, you can also use the advanced search modifiers. As you can see here that this AI will allow you to refine the searches with the modifiers like the site, before, after, and file type to limit the result by domain, date range, the date range, or the file format. This will be useful for filtering the trustworthy sources or the recent publication, guys. And after that, you can also attach the file when it will be needed. You can attach the file like this, and there will be the limitation. You can attach 3 files every single day. If you would like to analyze the file or the, let's say, the a file of journal and also the research or the book or the article. And after that, you can also explore the related question and sources. As you can see that this Perplexity provides you the related question and multiple source summaries at the end of the answer, and which can spark the new direction or validate the insight. And it also shows the citation, enabling fact checking and source verification. Like this, the sources, there are 3 sources over here for this point of explore related question and sources And also this one, guys. This will be, or this five is are the sources that also related to this recommendation. And after that, you can also use the incognito mode to ephemeral sources. If you want to keep the dashboard clean or avoid the saving conversation history, so you can use the incognito mode, is that will be useful for the one-off queries. And just like the ChatGPT, guys, that this Perplexity also give you or provides you the several GPTs. It names spaces here, and there are several category like for the life and also the technology and finance, sales and marketing, research, people and ops, and education. And for example, you can, if you need the tutor to solving the problem, then you can simply click it and start to having the conversation with this Perplexity AI. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this Perplexity AI. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.